Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone on how to download and install the YQArch plugin inside the AutoCAD application. So the YQArch is a plugin that aids the automation of floor plan design and architectural drafting right within the AutoCAD interface. It's a very easy to use plugin, and I'm going to show you on how to download and install freely. So first off, make sure your system is connected to an active internet. Then you come to your Chrome browser, go to your search box and you search for YQArch. Right, just enter. So it's going to bring out this page as the first option. So in case you can't see this page as the first option, just scroll down and look for the page. However, I'm going to drop the link to this page directly for easy navigation of downloading. So you click on this page. So the page is actually in Chinese, so you are going to see an advantage to translate. All right, after it's loaded. All right, so you can see here to translate. So you click on English. So all of these languages will now be translated to the English language. So you click on this first option. So this is the current plugin version for the YQArch. So you click on this. It's going to bring you to this interface. So you just scroll down, all right, carefully to this download. So you can see this is the main setup here for the YQArch plugin. So you click on this download. So automatically it's going to bring out this option. So you click on keep, then automatically to start downloading, just go to your downloads to monitor the progress. So it's already in progress, just give it a bit of time. It's a very light plugin. So I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it completely. So in your case, let it finish downloading. All right, so I'm just going to pause and come to my folder of download to continue the installation process. So under my download, here it is here. All right, so you right click on the setup after it is done downloading, then you scroll down to YQArch, or if you have any other extraction tools on your PC, use that to extract it. So you scroll down to extract files, click on extract files. So it's going to bring out the part it is going into. So it is going under my download under the YQArch, and that's it. So you click on OK and it will start extracting, and it is done. So you are going to see the folder here. All right, you open the folder of the YQArch, open the SIS as the system, then you can now scroll to the install setup. So here it is here. This is the AutoCAD install. All right, this is where you are expected to have opened your AutoCAD workspace already open. Then what you will do is to drag this install, drag it into the AutoCAD workspace environment. So you are now going to see this information to verify and all that. So if you want to continuously use it, click on always load, but in my case I'll just click on load once. Okay, and automatically to start installing, it will bring out the option again. You click on load once again. So, and that's all. So you can see these are the tools. It has been activated here. All right, and you can see it above also is the YQArch plugin already installed, incorporated into your AutoCAD workspace. So in case you don't understand Chinese, you can change this language to English by coming to your command line. Then you search for YQ lang, that is YQ language. Right, so it's already there. So just click on enter YQ language. So you see the option, this is the default language. So you check on English and click on OK. Automatically this will change to English, right? And okay, so that's it. So you can just start to draft your floor plan, automate your architectural designs using this inbuilt tools that comes with the plugin easily. And that's just it. Very easy to download and install. So therefore you can just start to do your architectural drafting. If you have the dimension of your plot and you want to just automate a lot of tasks within your workspace, you can just go ahead and make use of the YQArch, define the section of the door, architectural drafting and the rest of that, how you want it to be, the column and all that. In case you want to do like a piling point depending on your drawing dimensions, you can just achieve all that easily. So that is just, it's very easy to use and it aids the automation of your tasks easily. If you find this video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon as well as turn on your notification to keep on getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.